Hi everyone! We are opening a whole box of Looney Tunes minifigures today. There are 12 minifigures to collect in this series, and I purchased a full box of 36 minifigures. Last time when I was opening the series 21 minifigures, I had to open about 32 bags before I got the full set of 12 minifigures. So this time I'm going to take a different approach and select the random bags rather than open them in order. Ta-da! So excited to have a full box of minifigures to open. Let's see how many tries it's going to take me this time to find all 12. If you like my videos, please don't forget to click the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Let's now open our minifigures together. Bag number 1. We've got Petunia Pig. Bag number 2. When I saw the yellow body in this bag, I thought I got a repeat already. This is Lola Bunny. Bag number 3. We're pretty lucky so far, all 3 are different. This is Roadrunner. All the minifigures are relatively simple so far. He has got a soft silicone tail and a bowl of eggs, I think, on the side. Number 4. Different again. This is Wile Coyote. He's also got a silicone soft tail. I'll be very surprised if I get a set of 12 straight away. Bag number 5. I knew this would happen as soon as I say this. We've got a repeat now. Roadrunner. Bag number 6. We've got Bugs Bunny. Bag number 7. I've been very lucky so far. This one is Tweety. I can't believe I already have 6 different types after opening 7 bags. See if my luck continues. Bag number 8. It's different again. We've got Marvin the Martian. He's got this really cool fabric skirt. Bag number 9. I've got a repeat again. This is Petunia Pig. Bag number 10. It's different again. This time we've got Porky Pig. A very, very good run so far. Bag number 11. This is amazing. I can't believe my luck. We've got Speedy. He's got a soft silicone tail and surrounded by cheese. I've already got 9 different minifigures after opening 11 bags. 3 more to go. Bag number 12. I finally got a repeat again. This is the Coyote. Bag number 13. It's different again. We've got Tasmanian Devil. He's also got the soft silicone tail, and there's an option for a spinning base plate, or you can choose the regular black base plate. 10 out of 12 already. Bag number 14. We've got Porky Pig again. Bag number 15. I've got Bugs Bunny again. It's starting to become harder to get the last 2. Bag number 16. We've got Speedy again. Maybe I'll end up having to open 30 bags again to get all 12. Bag number 17. Different. We've got Daffy Duck this time. Also a very cute soft silicone tail. Now I'm only missing Sylvester. Would he be in bag number 18? Oh my god. I've got Sylvester. I've completed my 12 figures with only opening 18 bags. I think I'm doing really well this time. There we go, our completed Looney Tunes minifigures. Let's now have a closer look at all the details together. Here is our completed Looney Tunes family. The structure of the figures in this set are relatively simple. We don't have a lot of parts to make each figure. However, they are definitely all very unique. I think they're all very good representations of the actual Looney Tunes characters. I really like Lola Bunny. I think she's just so pretty. Also, Marvin the Martian, I think is an amazing representation of the character. I do also like the option of the spinning base plate for our Tasmanian Devil. Leave a comment below and let me know which one is your favorite. Let's now have a closer look at all 12 minifigures.